Hi everyone, we just wrapped up an engaging session with families in the Atlanta area. This was our family and finance workshop. We had so much fun. We talked about wealth building strategies. We had a lot of games and activities, competition and prizes, all while the kids were learning about money and healthy money habits.
I really enjoyed this experience, this process. We needed.
I learned that spending money, even though you love to spend money, there's a lot of things out there that you really need and instead of really want.
Money skills are life skills. And once you learn those, you can go far.
They should come learn because no matter how old or young you are, you should always, it's never too late or early to start learning.
So if you are interested in creating a family money playbook for your family and the generations to follow, at the Master Playbook, we offer award-winning financial literacy resources, our signature program, which is our Future Millionaire Money Camp for kids and teens, and we do curated workshops for parents and college students throughout the year. If this is something you are interested in learning more about, I encourage you to visit themasterplaybook.com. Follow me, Holly Reid at The Master Playbook. The goal is to make sure that they have an opportunity, the appropriate runway to really practice these money habits and to master these skills so that they can have a wealthy financial future.